Yeah, it's been a while, guys. It's been a while, and I gotta apologize for not being on here and doing a little bit more content than I should. I've been using that in video AI stuff, trying to keep my channel going, but even that gets boring and running out of ideas. And then you get all these little whatever, some views, and then some take off, some don't, and then it just sits there and it don't do nothing. So I figured, quit whining, John, just get out here and start doing some little videos, even if it's I'm standing around. Because my last video I showed you that book, right? I was sitting down doing that book, and the reason why I'm standing around, well, you've seen that one video of sacroiliitis, and I got up over that one, but then my knees started going bone on bone. It's just hard to get around. I'm slowing down, man. I can't even run circles around the guys anymore, man. I got to walk slow with a cane. Oh my goodness, guys. VA's got me on in a 9-year waiting line for 2 new knees. They do 80 to 90 procedures a day, believe that, and I'm in line 9 years. Like a lot of my fence customers are in line 6 to 8 weeks for their fence right now. But hey, I got my grandson's taking over. I'm transferring ownership to him, thank God. And it's like I said, that's just been a huge blessing right there. Thank God that he answered my prayer to that, because otherwise I'd have been flat out. I don't know what I've been doing, man. But yeah, I got the book out, Fence Your Way to Beautiful Property. Check it out. It's on Amazon, and get that. Oh, I got like 50 other books on there from another software program I've been using while it's sitting up there in the house, called Designer. And I've been putting ebooks like crazy. Go ahead, check it out. John Willman. Type in Amazon, see how many books I got there. You can snag some for free, man. There's a lot of free ones there. But anyway, yeah, just trying to help out the way I can. But it's been a bummer, man. It's been a downer. I don't want to be that way. My goodness, my knees. It's just hard to get around. But anyway, I'm not going to let that slow me down. I'm going to get on the rebound, and we're going to just move forward and come up with some other different kind of videos or whatnot. But since my grandson's taken over, I got a little bit more time, But man, these estimates, wow. Yeah, it takes it out of me. Even the estimates walking. I'm so slow. These guys are walking like 20 miles an hour over to the back of the fence line. They want to get their fence done, and I'm just like. And then I'm wondering if they're thinking, man, I hope this guy's not out on the fence line. Well, to be honest with you, I hope I'm not either. But anyway, hey man, fence your way to a beautiful property. There's lots of words in there to read, lots of pictures. Yeah. Check it out. Read some words on Amazon. Anyway, hey, I just wanted to come say I'm back, and all you guys that have been subscribing to this channel, thank you so much. It does mean a lot. Just like all these other people say, it means a lot to us. So thank you. I really appreciate your views, your comments, and I appreciate the subscribers, because that's what helping this video channel grow. So got a couple thousand subscribers, as you can see. Wouldn't it be nice to have one of them plaques on the wall? Whatever I'm doing, but even if it's just BSing to you and telling you the truth, that what, it's not as easy as some people think it is. Okay, you just got to keep plugging away, just like me. Just keep plugging away. I got more ideas. I'll just tell you about the life and times of John Willman, how I built Fix a Fence LLC, or whatever, or maybe even just go and interview some of these others. But that's got to have time, man, and I got to have money too, So if I'm not out there bidding these jobs for these guys, I don't have any free time to go play, and that's really playing, right? When you're going out and doing this stuff, because what I'm doing right now, just playing with this video stuff. I don't want to be playing anymore, though. I want to be serious. So right now, I'm being serious right now by saying, you guys have a great day. Keep smiling. Have a great day. Make something of yourself. Don't let anybody hold you back. Just make something of yourself. Plenty of opportunity out here. And just, anyway, there's plenty of room to grow. There's plenty of opportunity. There's plenty of businesses to come up with. Plenty of ideas left in this world you come up with. Keep writing ideas down, just like Earl Nightingale says. Write the ideas down. Write them down. They're going to come to you. Just like it's coming to me. all these little words coming to me right now. I'd like to say a lot more than I can, but right now I'm probably going to have to run in there and start writing these ideas down. So, but anyway, it's been a blessing. It's been a great ride. Keep subscribing to the channel, and those of you that have, thank you. But Fix a Fence LLC, John, I'm signing out. I'm just again saying, just say, hey, keep smiling and have a great day. Make the best of it.